Google wasn't shy during the Pixel event about calling out Apple and how Google got there first with many innovations while introducing the Pixel 7 Pro, even if it didn't mention the iPhone maker by name. We heard about how Google was first with an always-on display, a night mode for the camera, and crash detection. The message was clear. We beat you to the punch, Apple, and then you copied us. Well, you can now add one more feature to the Google got there first pile, one that the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will likely envy. And that's a much more powerful zoom. The Pixel 7 Pro features a telephoto lens with a 5x optical zoom and up to 30x super res zoom. The iPhone 14 Pro series maxes out at 3x optical and 15x for digital zoom, so Apple's new iPhone is literally far behind Google's new Pixel in this category. With new hardware, software, and artificial intelligence technology, Google expects significant photography improvements to its Pixel 7 Pro. Google's Pixel phones haven't sold well compared with models from Samsung and Apple, but they earn high marks for photography year after year. And if anything is going to win customers over, it'll be camera technology. After the launch event, the hype for the Pixel 7 Pro is more than ever because turning out the Pixel 7 Pro is the Pixel 6 Pro that we truly never got. This is especially true with the camera. You see people keep telling that iPhones have the best video camera. And with my experience with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, that is absolutely true. You can easily tell that it's better than the S22 Ultra's video recording. A YouTuber named Michael Secret has got access to the Pixel 7 Pro early, and he's been testing out the camera of the handset. And honestly, it's really impressive what Google has managed to achieve in just a year with just their software magic. The Pixel 7 Pro also leverages computational photography via the Tensor G2 chip to achieve sharp-looking images at a range of zoom distances. The idea is to combine hardware, software, and machine learning to achieve pro-level results. First of all, switching between the lenses is smooth as ever, almost like the iPhones, and quite impressed with the super res zoom quality. It takes a second or so to kick in, but when it does, it creates that Google magic to turn a blurry video into a super sharp one. And as you can see, Google just nailed the HDR and the colors. Google recognizes that as you zoom in further, that hand motion starts to become a real issue, as it is on the Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and Galaxy S22 Ultra. It can be quite hard to lock on your subject with those phones. That's where the Pixel 7 Pro's zoom stabilization feature comes in, which keeps your camera steady when going past 15x. It does this by identifying the subject in the viewfinder and stabilizing the camera on it. The cameras can shoot in a 10-bit HDR mode for better high-contrast scenes like those with bright skies or dark shadows. Google is now on its 8th generation of video stabilization technology. It helps particularly when tracking moving subjects with heavy zoom magnification. By the way, he also mentions that while playing Genshin Impact, the phone doesn't heat up. In fact, he says the phone doesn't heat up at all during his full day of usage, which is surprising because it's Samsung who's manufacturing these chipsets. Overall, the Pixel 7 Pro seems like it has a real shot to unseat the iPhone 14 Pro Max as our best camera phone, effectively doubling the maximum zoom range while promising sharper images in the process. And I'm pretty sure Apple's engineers will be paying close attention. Together, the improvements show Google is fighting hard to maintain its leading smartphone camera technology. So, what do you guys think about this new camera samples of upcoming Pixel 7 Pro? Is it good enough to be the best camera smartphone? Let me know it down in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.